Hello, welcome to day 10. So today's just going to be like a studio type, vloggy type thing. Also, I'm going to be like organizing some stuff, but also I have clients. And then also we're going to a show tonight. So I actually don't even know if this will be up today. If not, it'll be up tomorrow morning. So I'm very sorry if it's not up today, but I'm going to do my best. So first things first, I really need to clean up my station. It is a disaster. I will show you in a second. And then I want to do some organizing, put some glitters away, start organizing my foils, and see how long I can get that done before any clients show up. I've got like 45 minutes. So we'll see how much I can get done in that time. So we might get 2 nail art organization vlogs. This one and then another one. We'll see. We'll see what happens. Let me show you what we need to do. Tonja, why? Why? Okay. So the plan for today, we're gonna clean this whole thing up. And then I think we're going to organize the nail art. I've got glitters I need to put away. I've got a lamp on the floor. These drawers don't open. These are half empty. We're gonna figure out how to, oh yeah, we're gonna figure that out. Also gonna figure out what to do with this bag of foils. I think I have a plan, but we're gonna figure that out. Okay, so I've got all my glitters potted and a giant mess. So I'm just gonna clean that up a tiny bit. So I've got all my glitters and I left them on the packages that they came in for 2 reasons. One, some of them, because they're by weight, these are very light glitter, so there's way more in this package. So I have to keep this because I don't want to throw it out. Also, I like to know, you know, the names of them and whatnot for content. So basically I'm just trying to peel the sticker off of the bag. Sometimes they come off super easy and sometimes they don't. Come back to you. Let's try this guy. See? Super easy. And then, I'm doing this backwards. Okay. And then I just cut the edges off because they're too long. And because it has the website from Glitter Mix Canada underneath it, I know that that's also where it's from. Yay! And then we'll just put them over there, the ones that are done. And the ones that give me a hard time, we will set aside for later. Yes, these are Halloween glitters that have been sitting in my drawer like this for months. I realized I just finished all that and didn't record any of it. So let me show you what I did. For the ones who didn't want to peel off, I literally just cut the bag with the label and taped it. This one looks like crap, but I taped it onto the bottom. And then for ones that are obviously still in the bag, I'm just leaving them in the bag with the label on, and if I need to reference it, I can just find the bag to reference it. Now I need to clean up because I have a client in like less than 15 minutes. So clean up. Then we will continue at some point. Okay, I've started messing with the foils. The glitters are just thrown in there for now. That might be a project for another day because back there, that's an issue back there. Working on these. So I had these containers in the dresser. I wasn't using them. And I thought, okay, well, if I can just put them all in there. They don't all fit in these. But I had this big one in that drawer. And it was just holding like random nail art stuff, like decals, Sharpies, like a bunch of feathers. I'm going to have to find a better place, just like a better way to store those as well. But I think this will be the best way to store them. I'm going to give this a wipe down and we'll see if they can all fit in here. So I got them in the big one, and then we need one of the thinner ones to store them in. These ones are shorter. They came from Create a Beauty. These ones are all the ones that came in that bag from Sophie's neighbor. And then I have these two that have been stored in my stamping binder thing because they came in like those little like plastic envelope-y thingies, like these things. And I can't keep putting it in and out of something like that. So I just kept it in the back. But I found these two babies, which are like the exact same as these, in a drawer full of excess glitter. So I washed them up the best I could. There is still glitter stuck to the sides. This might be a terrible idea, but I'm going to put those two foils in here and then put them in here. And then step one is done. Then the foils have like a space, right? Not in a drawer yet, but a space. Okay. All right. So those two are bottled. I can put those in there. Yay. Now, my plan, because I cannot see any of these, and I don't want to do this to get what I need. So similar to like how we would with, you know, gels and whatnot, put a little dot on the top so we see what they are. That's exactly what I'm going to do with this. I'm going to bust out some foil gel, boop, 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 and then we'll just boop, 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 so we can see what they are. And then we'll slide them in a drawer, and ideally, it should function great. right, sweet friends, that's gonna end the vlog today. I know it wasn't as exciting as like past vlogs, but I gotta take care of the docs and go get ready for a concert tonight. I'm kind of nervous. Let me just show you quickly what I did get done. Not a lot, but let me show you. Okay, so all of these glitters we poured from the bag into the pots, but they are not organized. So that's going to be another day. And we got a couple of foils, kind of like labeled, I guess you could call it. That's time consuming. Oh, and this just stopped working in the middle of a client. I don't know what to do. Okay, so that's gonna do it for me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe so that you can see the finished organization tour thing. I will see you tomorrow. Bye.